Hey, what's up, you guys? Today's video is a collaboration with AngieQueen Hair Company. They have all types of bundles and wigs at an affordable price. All of the links will be in the description box. Now, the hair that I'm wearing today is, again, from AngieQueen Hair Company. I have in inches 22, 24, 24 with a 20-inch free part lace closure. Now, this is the Indian Body Wave Virgin Hair bundles. And like I said, I have 3 and a free part closure. The inches that I have retail on their website for $200 even, which I feel is a reasonable price for what you're getting because the quality is there, honey. Now you guys are pretty much familiar with how I make my wigs. That's what I went ahead and did with my AngieQueen hair. So this is the wig, and this is actually after me wearing it for some time. So it does look a little rough, but you'll see how I'm able to bring it back to life. But yeah, I have the 3 bundles in the closure. Of course, you could do whatever. It's versatile. You could get a sew-in, you can make a wig, do whatever you got to do. I chose to make a wig, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just using my wand curler to flatten out the top of the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and put some wand curls in it and give it some life and some body. So as you guys can see, I'm using some of my edge control to lay the front of the closure. I don't have any of my edges out, so I just do this to get things to, look a little bit more laid. So yeah, what you guys see me doing is throwing in some wand curls for some body, just to get things back in order. So yeah, I just put some wand curls in, curling away from my face, and I pretty much do big chunks because I don't like the curls to be too defined. I'm more going for like a body wave, trying to get it to resemble its original or natural state. So I'm just putting in some lazy wand curls, nothing too serious. Now, in regards to the hair itself, it does hold a curl fairly well. Yeah, so the wand curls stay. I haven't really tried straightening it yet, so that's something I'll have to do in the future. But the hair itself is really soft. I have not had any issues with shedding, though I have had the slightest bit of tangling in the nape of the wig. But yeah, that's about it. That's probably the only con that I could bring to light is just the slightest bit of shedding, but that could also just be from wear. So yeah, just something to keep in mind if you guys are interested in copping some AngieQueen hair. Now, as far as altering the hair, I did attempt to dye it jet black. Now, it looks to me like it took, but y'all will have to really be the judge of that. And I did attempt to bleach the knots as well. So if the closure looks, a little bit closer to my complexion, that's because I did go ahead and bleach knots. I didn't record the process, but if you guys want me to do a video on that, just let me know in the comment section down below. Y'all know I don't really get into the whole bleaching and chemist type stuff, but if you want a video, I can do it because I'm getting, a little redundant with the same styling videos. So just let me know in the comments. But yeah, as far as making any alterations to the wig, that's all I did. I dyed it jet black and bleached the knots. So I'm able to part the 4x4 closure anywhere within that 4x4 section because I bleached the knots. And I don't really have to customize it much because I already did. And you can see that once I comb out the curls, the hair is really thick and full, and that is because I've already been wearing a wig. Yeah, I've been wearing a wig for a week or so, and I've just been doing the same process of curling it. And for whatever reason, I feel like the dye that I used made the hair appear thicker, or actually made it thicker. I don't know, I can't really explain it, but the hair is still cool even after me dyeing it. I do feel like after I dyed it, it kind of stripped it of its like moisture, I guess you could say, but all I have to do for that is add like an oil sheen, which I did at the end. So yeah, still putting in my wand curls, giving it that body and curling away from my face so that I get the look that I'm going for, just like some effortless curls with the bang. So yeah, I went for the side part, and because it is a 3-part closure, I could do a middle or whatever I want really, but I did go ahead and go for the side parts. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result and what I ended up with. I am really feeling this whole side part situation with the effortless curls. Again, I have in 3 bundles with a closure, 22-inch, 24-inch, 24, and a 20-inch 3-part closure. And this is the Indian hair body wave bundles. If you guys are interested, the link is in the description box. If you guys want to go ahead and use their code to get 15% off, I'll leave that in the description box as well, along with AngieQueen's social media. They are a brand to look into if you are trying to find some affordably priced virgin hair. Yeah, they got wigs, bundles, you name it, it's on their website. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. You guys will have to let me know what you think in the comment section. And also leave other video ideas if you have any for me. And you can follow me on Instagram. All of my social medias also in the description box for you guys. That's all I have, and I will see you in our next one.
DJ Merks. Hey baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. You act kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sun change? Say my name. No one is around you. Say baby, say my name. Say baby, I love you. Say baby, I love you. The one